Set double tap to lock screen on iPhone. So let's see. First open settings, then here you can see accessibility, open this, then go to touch, open this. Here you can see excessive touch, open this, turn on. Here you can see, so open double tap, select lock screen. So in this way you can lock screen with double tap. So thanks for watching.